Pagdating sa investment, dapat may proper diversification tayo or saan ba natin ilalagay ang pera natin? Una is sa proper protection, dapat may sapat tayong healthcare and life insurance. And then yung growth investment, makukuha natin yung investment na to sa mga mutual funds and stock market. And of course, yung investment na mga hindi nagne-negative, yung mga conservative investment. And business with passive income, importante rin to para mas lumago yung ating personal finance. And marami nagpapamember sa IMG kasi nandito na yung total financial solution. Una is proper protection, meron tayong healthcare na provider natin is si Kaiser. And meron tayong Manila Bankers Life na provider ng murang term insurance, life insurance. And of course, meron tayong kapartner sa investment, sa mga mutual funds, stock market, with Rockver Financials. And sa mga conservative investment naman, meron tayong Most 18 PDF with Manila Bankers Life. And of course, marami nagpapamember sa IMG kasi may IMG business or career na kagaya ko, pwede ka maging financial educator para magkaroon ka ng additional source of income. To know more about IMG, message mo lang ako sa FB, Roan Celis Capistrano.